on my baby father, aka Stylo G, aka Jason McDermott, aka Wasteman. Yeah? He posted a video about me and my son. Now, right now I'm hot, I'm feeling heated. Now, he posted a video about, first of all, he posted a video of my address, where his son lives. Right now, I'm gonna watch his video and I'm gonna comment on what he said, yeah? Okay, let me just start something quickly, yeah? This boy says he come from a foreign with his brother Cody. Let me ask you something, Stylo. What has any of that got to do with your son? You're gonna give a 5-hour speech about where you come from, how you live in one hut, how your mum was poor, and the man said he did a painting job and he pay and fixed up house for years, yeah? But hold on, let me tell you something. You see that little... Whew. You see that boy there? Let me tell you something. Yeah, he had a job, but he stopped that job because he wanted to progress within his career. But let me tell you, who was funding you, Stylo? Me. I was giving you money. I was looking after your little waste man ass, yeah? Let me just mention as well. You see about the part where he said about how he couldn't travel and all this shit? Yeah, he never had a passport, all this stuff. Let me tell you something. Remember this, Stylo. I am the reason why you have a passport. I am the reason why you are able to travel around the world, yeah? Me and your son. Remember that, yeah? We helped you get that passport. I went through your solicitor, filled out documents, lied to them and said, yeah, you're a good dad, you're supportive, you pick up your youth from school. I did that for you, yeah? And actually, you know what? I didn't even do it for you. I did it for your son, so you can stay in this country for your son, yeah? Oh, sorry, he's boring me. Let me just quickly say right now, yeah? Let me tell you what happened. I posted a video, and actually, I posted a few words on his Instagram, yeah? And I basically called him a waste man. Let me tell you why I called him a waste man. You see, our son, yeah? My son's seeking his attention. My son loves him so bad that he's seeking attention. My youth calls him, yeah? Every single day, Stylo G don't answer his phone, yeah? My son texts him. Because Stylo, you're meant to be picking him up at certain times. But you don't pick him up, you don't turn up, and you don't even phone. And then when Jermaine's ringing you 101 times, when you eventually answer, you then say, sorry, we couldn't make it. Hold on. I'm sure you was on Instagram not so long ago. I'm sure you've been online. So you couldn't phone your son to say... Anyway, another thing as well. So every time you say to Jermaine that you're going to come and you don't come, you know, Jermaine makes excuses to why you don't come up. You know, he's even said down to a point where one time he said, maybe because it's raining outside really hard, why my dad's not able to travel to me. Yeah? Or one time he said, maybe my dad hasn't got no data as to why my dad's not phoning me. Your youth said that, you know, Jason. Your youth, Stylo, said, maybe my dad doesn't have no data as to why he couldn't phone me. You know, it's only the other day my son said, yeah, man burst out into tears to me, yeah, ready to fight me to say, Mum, I can't give no more excuses to why my dad doesn't come and pick me up. My dad, he feels like his dad don't love him, Stylo, yeah? So you're on Instagram and Facebook posting about me and your relationship. I didn't support you. Where is the support for your youth? Please tell me. Please tell me, rude boy, where's the support for your youth? Stylo to come and see his youth anytime he wants. Let me tell you something that's so deep, yeah? And this is so deep and personal shit right now, but it's about my son, yeah? But let me tell you how much of a waste man Stylo is, yeah? You see Jermaine? He's been seeking his dad's attention so bad that in school he's naughty, yeah? He's forever being sent to the detention room, yeah? My son's got so much anger. I'm trying to send him to boxing class. I've got to pay for all this, you know, because I've got to pay for it myself. Stylo ain't helping me. I'm trying to get him in after school activities. Stylo, you ain't giving me no money for this, yeah? Let me tell you what happened the other day. Yeah, not even the other day, sorry, last year. My youth phoned me, crying down the phone to me. Mum, someone tried to kidnap me. Mum, someone tried to take me away. So me as his mum, I'm running home, leaving work early, running home for my youth, yeah? I'm going to phone police. I'm going to phone Stylo, his dad, yeah? Cut a long story short, police were here. Stylo was here. The police were taking DNA from me and my son, taking mouth swabs from me and my son. Guess what this waste man Stylo was doing in the corner? On his phone. Watch him. Laughing. Laughing and joking on Instagram, yeah? You know, the police officer looked at him. I looked at him. Jermaine looked at him, thinking, why is he so happy? This is a situation. Your son's just, yeah? Hold on a minute. So now your son's seeking attention again and says, Dad, can you spend the night, please? Can you stay the night with me? So I said, you know what? I'm not going to name my boyfriend's name, but I said, oh, you know what? I'll stay with my boyfriend. Jermaine, your dad can stay here with you. He didn't stay anyway. He didn't stay with Jermaine anyway. But cut a long story short, the police officer, after the police officer checked the cameras, the police officer said to me that nothing happened. Your son's seeking attention from your dad. Yeah? I phoned this boy and I told him that your son is seeking attention from you. Yeah? He needs you. Your son needs your love. Yeah? You know what you turn around and say to me? Can you send me your email address because I need to send something from my manager? That's what you said to me, stylo. And when I said to you, did you not hear what I said to you? You told me, you had the audacity to tell me these people are white, they don't understand my life. What, because you live in hut? And hold on, the next thing, you tell around and say, I live in a council house. Yes, damn right, I live in a council house. I pay my rent and take this. I'm vexed, you know, stylo, you ain't ready for me. You ain't. Correction, I did not hate Lisa. Yeah? I'm not even going to go into that about Lisa because me and Lisa are cool. But hear what? Stylo, she was funding you. Remember that? She was giving you money, stylo. Did you forget about that, baby daddy?
So she realized I was giving her more money. You understand my mom? May I give her more money than with the child support request?
Right, this is my favourite part. Woo! Listen, this waste man said he was giving me £170 a month. Let me tell you something, right? This pom-pom said he was giving me £170 a month. Listen, let me tell you something. Right, so just now, I'm not gonna lie, I got CSA on him because he don't give me no money. Yeah? CSA said he's meant to give me £140 a month. Yeah? He didn't give me nothing. They've been chasing him for years. Yeah? I'm so vexed that I'm shaking right now. Yeah? They've been chasing him for years. He ain't giving me no money. We didn't come to no agreement for him to put money in my account. But let me give you the best part. Hear him. Me give you £170 in my account. In it, mommy. What's your mum saying? Your mum ain't saying nothing because she knows you're a waste man, rude boy. Waste man. Unlock this. Waste man, about £170 in my account. And hold on. You have the audacity to screenshot the £30-40 that you put in your youth's account. You know that he was asking you for money for PlayStation. What is that change going to do, stylo? If you got all these millions in your account, why are you putting £30, £40 in your youth's account? Please tell me. Please. With child support, because he's self-employed, you can't get nothing from him. You can't force him. He don't give me no money. Stylo, you know the real deal. You don't give me no money. Yeah? You're vexed because I'm hotting you up right now. I know you're ready to bawl your eyes out. I know you're ready to cry like a baby. Yeah? If he does eventually show up to see his youth, he will make sure he's got pictures to post on Instagram. You don't see your youth all the time. You do it for face. You do it for clout. Yeah? You didn't get that job. It's because I used to hang with Ali. Yeah? We were good. We were cool at that time. Yeah? I was working Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday. Sorry, Friday, Saturday, and sometimes Sunday. And when I was working the weekend, I was earning like what? I'm not even ashamed to say it. I was earning £150. But hear the joke. Hear the biggest joke. I was earning £150 for that weekend. Yeah? Working from 10 till 3. Stylo. My baby daddy, you was giving me money. If you was giving me money, I wouldn't have to work my ass off like that. Yeah? I was doing a Monday to Friday job. I was also doing a cleaning job. And I was also doing a weekend job. I'm not ashamed to say that because I was working for me and my youth. Yeah? Whatever my son has, because of me. Let me correct this fool. I went to LA, yes, with my man. Yeah? My man paid for me to go to LA. My man I've been with for 6 years, yeah? My man paid for me to go to LA. I didn't even have to bring spending money. Yeah? And I went to Turkey. I went to Spain with Lotus Bar. Yeah? I went with them. Because hey, what? I work and I paid my own shit. Stylo G, you don't give me no money. Hey, Stylo, you ain't ready for me. You ain't ready. Yeah? You be ashamed to say you got me a job, rude boy in Lotus, earning £150 for a weekend. You should be ashamed to say that, Stylo. But hear what? You were promoting Lotus more than you were promoting your own youth because you were funding Lotus, going up there every Thursday, making sure you was there Thursdays. But hold on, the bar is round the corner from my yard. So how comes you were able to go to the bar, but you weren't able to come and check your youth? Think right now you're not even talking about your youth. You're talking about hardship life in a yard. Yeah, you're gonna support your Jamaicans, them. You're gonna support Sabanish Town and all this place that you're buying. You are talking about hardship life in Jamaica. When are you gonna talk about your youth? When are you going to talk about your youth? Yeah. But there was a part where he was calling out my name, my first and my last name, and there was a part where he was calling out my address. So please tell me something. Tell me something, Stylo. Tell me something, Stylo. If you really care for your youth and your youth's safety, why the ass would you put my... Why would you really do that? Please tell me, why would you put my address on social media? Let me tell you something. You see right now, your youth's left the house. Let me tell you why your youth's left the house. Because he's worried. He's worried that you've exposed our address. So he's worried that he don't know which crazy fan or which crazy person will come to the yard. Because you're that thick, Stylo. This is a Jamaican mentality. Retard. Giving out my address. When you're in Jamaica talking about how you're going to live a good Chris life in your local hut. Why? Unlock this phone, please. Jesus. This boy really done mess with the wrong girl. How many times are you going to talk about Tesco and EastEnders? How many times? Come on, big and serious. How many times are you going to talk about Tesco and EastEnders life? When are you going to talk about your youth? Because all jokes aside, as much as I'm not cussing him, your youth's hurting, Stylo. And I've said this to you. Your youth, numerous of times, I've had to say to you, your son isn't seeking attention. You know, if I was to give you a few questions to ask you right now, what is your son's teacher? What's the teacher's name? Is it a man or a woman? What's the head of year's name? When does he next have half term, Stylo? Stylo, I could go on. Sorry, the celebrity right now is talking. He's going to show his account right now. But let me just say something. I can't talk for his other daughter because he's that waste that they don't have a relationship. My son, Stylo's son, loves his sister to bits, but they don't see each other because Stylo's so waste and busy doing what he's doing out on road that they don't see each other. Now, he's about to talk about his celebrity lifestyle, that he's got millions in his account, millions in his Jamaican account, and millions in his London account. Yeah. Hey. Why? He's got millions in a Jamaican account. But hold on. You just posted that your son had 30, 40 pounds in his account. Stylo, if you've got millions in your account, why ain't your youth got millions in his account? Why is it I'm having to buy his shoes and clothes and ting there? Sorry? Right, as I'm his full-time mother, I'm his full-time carer, I'm the only one that does the discipline around here. I'm the only one that does anything around here, yeah? So you see, now my son's seeking attention at school. My son's seeking attention, yeah? So if he's been naughty, I will take away his phone. I will discipline him, like a mum's supposed to. But you see, my son, because his dad's not around, the only communication he can have with his dad is a telephone. So sometimes, if I've taken my son's phone away from him, I'll leave it up on the side. I'll leave it up on the side. My son will be sneaky, take his phone, like what kids do. Take his phone, occasionally message his friends. He thinks I don't know. Message his friends. Yeah, he'll message his dad. Because if you think about it, Stylo, if I take away his phone from him, that's all ties between you and him because you won't check for him. You know where we live. You don't knock the door for him to say, well, son, I'm going to come and get you. You make all these promises about, oh, I'm going to come to the house and do this with you. Or I'm going to, what's it called? I'm going to come pick you up at school. You leave the little boy in school. And he's ringing down your phone. Where are you, Dad? Where are you? You're not answering your phone. Dad, more on your personal shit, yeah? But right now it's about our child, yeah? I'm exposing your little ass. You want to take me to court? I beg you, please take me to court. You don't want to take me to court because you don't want to have no responsibility. I beg you, please. Stylo G, a.k.a. Jason McDermott. I beg you, please take me to court. I beg you. When are you going to talk about your youth, Stylo? When are you going to talk about your youth, pussy? I haven't heard it yet. What do you do for him? Please tell me, what do you do for him? Because all jokes aside, right now my son is going through some shit, yeah? And I'm having to pick up the pieces all on my own. Stylo, I've tried to reach out to you. This is the only way to reach out to you. For Dragon, let me tell you something. I'm about to expose you. As well, another thing as well, what's so sad, and it breaks my heart to even say this, yeah? Stylo went to Jamaica recently. He goes back and forth because remember, Stylo, I got you that passport, yeah? Actually, Javaine got you that passport, yeah? So you've been going back and forth to Jamaica. You took your daughter to Jamaica, yeah? Because Javaine was really upset and said the last time he went with you, I'm not going to lie, my youth come back looking ill. He looked like he's been in the shade in Jamaica. I had to come back and feed him, give him banana porridge because he looked like he was ill. Stylo, my youth was with you and he's come back and seen that his little sister's gone and done more shit than what he done. How do you think he feels, Stylo? On a real, are you not considering your son's feelings? Because yeah, I'm cussing you out. Stylo, you are a waste man. Me living at one small little hut in Jamaica. Listen, all your brethrens that are commenting are all the Jamaican people that live the hardship lifestyle. Every Jamaican live this hardship lifestyle, rude girl. Yeah? That you're there for your youth. Because hear what? Your son's not getting any younger. He's getting older. He's turning into a big man now. You don't even know how big your boy is. Yeah? You don't even know how all of these good achievements that he's doing, all the hardship that he's going through. You don't know nothing about that. You don't know nothing about that yardy man. You call you a yardy man. And he's a little liar about that. Yeah, call me a yardy for me. Yardy man. He said, let me tell you exact words. I trick his mother to get a nationwide account, a bank account. Let me tell you something, pussy. Oh, you're so much of a retard you are. As a gift, I got my son a card for Christmas. As a Christmas gift. Yeah, that was my idea. And I told him, you need to start putting money in the account. Yeah? Second of all, which part is it nationwide? The account's not nationwide, you look a bumper hole. Which part nationwide? This how you know you're showing yourself properly. Justify yourself, rude boy! Because this video is for you, yeah? It's nothing about your youth, nothing to talk about your youth. This video is to talk about living in Jamaica, having hardship in Jamaica. Now you got millions, yeah? But you got millions, but what about your youth? Yeah? What about your youth? Cry like a baby right now. What's you? Crying on your mum's arm, cry like a baby. Whoa! Oh yeah, your dreadlocks are fake, by the way. People, his dreadlocks are fake. But let me tell you something, Stylo, you are rolling with the wrong people, yeah? And all jokes aside, again, this is our son, yeah? After this video, it's me that has to pick up his pieces, because right now my son's heart is breaking, yeah? My son's going through that it's only me picking up the pieces. You're just, what you doing, Stylo? Worrying about what people are thinking about you on video.